Can you solve all these metallic bond questions? Low melting point. Thoughtful answer, covalent bonds. High melting point. Nicely done, ionic bonds. Dative bond can be found in. Nice work, ammonia. The strongest covalent bond. Triple, great work. Which is not a type of solid. Good job, halogenic. What type of compound is CAF2? Logical choice. Compound of cations and anions. Yes, ionic compound is right. Give an example of an ionic bond. Not so well done. What bonds hold metals together? Well-articulated metallic bonds. Dative covalent bond is found in. Accurate answer, ammonium ion. Write the formula when S and K bond.
Well, supporters?
Which bond would be the least polar? Clear and correct. Ha! What holds ionic compounds together? Right choice, ionic bonds. Intermolecular force present in Cl2. Excellent reasoning. Dispersion. A compound made of only 2 elements. You got it, binary. A metallic bond is a bond between dash. Right metals. A molecule made of 2 atoms is called. Precise answer, diatomic molecule. Coordinates bonds are also called dash. Very good, dative bonds. Negatively charged ions are called what? Outstanding effort, anion. Which of the following is an ionic bond? Great job! The force that holds 2 atoms together. Exactly, chemical bond. A compound composed of cations and anions. Spot on, ionic compound. Electrons that are free to move in metals. Bravo, delocalized electrons. What is the Sepper theory used to predict? Commendable response, molecular shape. What type of bonding is present in metals? Well-reasoned, metallic bonding. Type of intermolecular force present in F? Well done, hydrogen bond. Determine the type of forces present in Psi. Solid response covalent bond. A covalent bond of 1 pair. That's it, single bond. A substance that forms in a chemical reaction. Well-expressed product. Which type of bond has a sea of electrons? On track, metallic bond. Metallic bonding occurs between atoms of dash. Smart thinking, copper. Nitrogen and oxygen react, their bond is dash. That's accurate, polar covalent. A particle with a positive or negative charge. Strong answer. Which molecule has a non-polar covalent bond? Perfect choice, right? What type of bonding occurs in carbon dioxide? Keep it up, covalent. An ionic bond forms when atoms dash electrons. Excellent work. Transfer. What type of bond do hydrogen and carbon form? Covalent is correct. What is the sea of electrons model related to? Confident and correct, metallic bonding. What kind of bond forms between 2 nonmetals? Correct response, covalent. Which of these is not a real bond in chemistry? Valid points. How many electrons are shared in a triple bond? You got it. Atoms that share 1 or more pairs of electrons. Perfect choice, covalent bond. An interaction that holds atoms or ions together. Logical choice, chemical bond. Potassium iodide key has the following bonding. Exactly. What is the measure of a tetrahedral bond angle? It's 109.5 degrees. What type of bonding occurs between metal atoms? Nicely done, metallic bonding. If boron bonds with hydrogen, a dash bond forms. Very good, nonpolar covalent. What formula results when Ca+2 and baryons bond? Cab2 represents the number of units of each substance. Accurate answer, coefficient. Which element is held together by metallic bonds? Well supported, manganese. Choose the type of bonding in the element sodium. Outstanding effort, metallic bond. What type of bonding is characteristic of metals? Well-reasoned, metallic bonding. What type of bonding is present in a sample of Fe? Solid response, metallic. Which element will form an ionic bond with oxygen? Great job, sodium. What kind of bond will potassium form with sulfur? Well-articulated, ionic. Every ionic bond results in the formation of a dash. Good job, crystal lattice. When electrons are shared, a dash bond is formed. That's accurate. Covalent. What kind of bond forms when atoms share electrons? Strong answer, covalent. Compounds that contain oppositely charged particles. Keep it up, ionic compound. What bond is formed between a metal and a non-metal? Ionic bond, well done. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Bravo. Contact Narayan Changder